We're going to demonstrate how to strip electrical cable in preparation for fitting a 3-pin plug. Domestic cable comes usually in either 2 core or 3 cores with a brown live, a blue neutral, and in the case of 3 core it will be a yellow and green earth cable. The first step is to remove the outer sheathing, in which case white, and we're going to show you 2 methods to do that. These are the 2 tools that we're going to be using for the 2 methods we're going to show you how to strip the cable. The first one will be using the craft knife, and the only thing you have to think about with this is try not to cut into the inner insulation. You have to press firmly enough to cut, but not too firm to cut too far in, like so. The second method we're going to show of stripping the outer insulation will be to use side cutters, which is what these are, primarily used for cutting cable, but in this case we're going to just nibble around the edge, around the outside, around the surface. Again, being careful not to cut in too far to the inside insulation, like so. The second tool we're going to use is a combination wire cutter and wire stripper. It's adjustable on a cam, but it's a case of just snipping through the outer sheathing and exposing the wire. The third tool is a very similar principle, has jaws, and you simply insert the cable and pull the insulation off. The next tool is a little bit more specialised, where it automatically does everything for you, and it's just a matter of closing the action and it strips the cable. And the last one, same sort of thing, much more specialised tool. It's actually multifunction. Simple job to do, like so. We've now ended up with our exposed electrical cables. To fit these to a plug or an appliance, all you would need to do is twist the ends to stop them splaying, and that's ready to fit. We've now got 3 inner cables exposed, and we're going to bare the ends of them to make electrical contacts, like so. The 5 tools that we're going to use to do it. The first one is going to be the side cutters again. Not the easiest tools to use, but with a bit of practice it can be done, and you end up with a bare cable like so. The next one is a specialist wire stripper, where it is adjustable with a little circular cam for different diameters, and it's just a matter of pulling the insulation off. Next one is a similar principle, where you're just using the jaws to pull the insulation. It cuts the insulation and bares the cable, and then getting on to more specialised set of cutters, where you insert the cable,